Good morning, everyone. I'm Miss Yallar. Please look at these pictures and try to repeat after me. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Bear, bear, bear. Penguin, penguin, penguin. Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo.
Listening 6. Watch or listen. Splash.
This is a tiger.
Cool! Look!
Wow! Megabyte! Stop!
Watch out, Megabyte!
This is a kangaroo.
Uncle Alex, please help!
Watch out, Megabyte. This is a penguin.
Cool!
Uncle Alex, look! Oh no!
Megabyte! Oh, Megabyte!
Listening 6.
Well done. I'm going to ask you some questions and try to answer. Look at picture number 1. Where are Uncle Alex, Jack, Lucy? Where are they? Yes, they are at the zoo. Repeat. They are at the zoo. What is Jack looking at? What is Jack looking at? Think. Yes, a picture of a tiger. Can you count the tigers? How many tigers do we have here? Yes, 1, 2. We have 2 tigers. Picture number 2. Can you point to Megabyte? Here is Megabyte. What is Megabyte doing? Look at Megabyte. What is he doing? Yes, looking at the tiger. He is looking at the tiger. Good job. Another question. What Lucy is doing? Look at Lucy. What she is doing? Think. Yes, she is trying to stop Megabyte. She says, Megabyte, stop! Stop, Megabyte. Good job. Is Lucy scared? Look at face of Lucy. Is she scared? Yes, she is scared. Picture number 3. Can you point to Uncle Alex? Here is Uncle Alex, Jack and Megabyte. Here Jack and Megabyte. What is Uncle Alex doing? Look at Uncle Alex. Yes, He is helping Megabyte. He is helping Megabyte. What is Jack doing? Look at Jack. What is he doing? Yes, he is pointing at a sign. Jack is pointing at a sign. What animal can you see in this picture? What animal? Yes, I can see a kangaroo. Let's move to picture number 4. What are Lucy and Jack doing? Look, they are talking to Uncle Alex. What animal can you see? Look at animal. Yes, I can see a penguin. I can see a penguin. Very good. Now let's move to a picture. But before, what they are doing? Look at animals. What they are doing? They are swimming. Animals are swimming. Let's move to picture 5. Can you point to Megabyte? Excellent. Look at Megabyte. Here we have Megabyte. Where is Megabyte? Where? Megabyte is in the water. Megabyte is in the water. Very good. Another question. What is the wind? What is the wind? Megabyte is swimming with the penguin. Penguin. Good job. Megabyte is swimming with penguin. How many penguins do we have here? Count. How many? Yes, we have 1, 2, and others. Good job. Let's move to picture number 6. Is Megabyte in the water? Look at Megabyte. Is he in the water? Yes or no? Yes, Megabyte is in the water. What's on his head? Look at Megabyte. What's on his head? We have here a fish. Repeat, a fish. How many penguins are in this picture? How many penguins? Count. Yes, we have 1, 2, 3 penguins. Good job. Very good. Is Lucy angry with Megabyte? Look at Lucy. Is she angry? Yes or no? Excellent. No, she is not angry. Well done. Do you remember these animals? Yes, good job. Tiger, kangaroo, bear, penguin. Kangaroo, tiger, bear, penguin. Number 3, find the animals, circle and match. Take a pencil, try to find here animals and match them. Do you understand? Excellent. Do this exercise and send them to me. Everyday English. Number 4, listen and repeat. Please repeat after me. Watch out. Watch out. Don't forget to stick stickers. Our values is we are careful. We are careful.